After this wonderful and healthy walk, I'm going to make my own meal plan, a weekly meal plan using Book Creator. Book Creator is really versatile and you can make so many things. So I decided to make a weekly summer meal plan so that I can save only the link of my ebook that takes me to the site, to my blog, where I have all the lists of the meals that I love to make while I'm on holiday without thinking about what am I going to eat tomorrow and so on, because personally I don't like eating out so much apart from just sometimes with family and friends, and I can only order gluten-free stuff, so I prefer to cook my own meals. All the menu that you can see here can be found and printed from my blog, fauzia.eu. You can browse and then print which ones suit your needs if you want to. It's so much fun to create and it's so useful, and it saves you a lot of time to have one click and go and access everything you need for that day. I will link down below the links to my blog and to this ebook if you want to browse them. You can find a print button at the end of the page and just click on that in order to print, and you will see this page, which gives you also the choice of saving it as a PDF. First of all, let's give some credit. So the cover image is from Becca. You can find her on Instagram, Bitmoji Becca. And the rest of the images, I downloaded them from pixabay.com. I saved the slide image as a PNG and then inserted as an image. Now, to do that pair, for example, you can add some elements by using the magic pen of Book Creator. Let's see how to do that. So once you are on Book Creator, go to the plus sign, then Media, and select the pen. And once you selected the pen, get that one which is written auto, and then start drawing. I don't know how to draw, and this comes really handy because you start drawing and it gives you some ideas of what you're trying to draw. So in this case, if I'm trying to draw, for example, an apple, I just select from the list that I have there an apple, and there you have an apple that you can resize and color it in one single click. Once you have selected done, go to the fill color, choose the color that you want, in this case red. We just click on inside the apple, one click, and here you go. You can keep on coloring like that by selecting different colors and clicking on to the positions that you want to color. This pen is really an amazing tool. I call it the magic pen because it really allows you to draw anything that you want and put it into different positions of your ebook, so it creates a little bit of movement and fun. Once the image is created and colored, it's so interesting that you can make it bigger and smaller as an image which is inserted. The pen also gives you not only the opportunity to insert the images that you try to draw, but also select the pen and you can insert the emojis, and there you go. You have all the emojis like your mobile phone, and you can insert and move them around as if it were images that's added on top of the image that you already have. And you can position anywhere that you want. So if you need some more images, just go to the magic pen. Remember the steps, it's plus and then media and then select the pen. And there happens the magic. If you want to incorporate a video into your meal plan, go to the plus sign, then incorporate, select the video that you want, and then go to share. I have it in Italian, but it should be share, and then go to that symbol that you can see here, and then copy all those HTML code. You can right click and copy, then go back to your book creator, and into that position right click again and paste. Now confirm, and it adds directly into your ebook. This step is useful for those who would like to see a tutorial on meal planning and how the meal is performed. So it's really useful to bookmark them like this. If you want to block an image into one position, you can just right click and then you can block it. But if you want to move them around or resize them, you need to unblock so that you can do that. Otherwise, you can't move it. If you want to add some voice comment, you go to the plus sign and select record. And once you start recording, the countdown will start. You talk and say whatever you are trying to comment on. And if this works, you just listen first before inserting it. Or if this is not what you want to say, you can easily eliminate and then restart again your voice comment. Once you're done, you interrupt, you listen and check. Once you're done, you can use that registration, and then you have one icon that appears into your page and you move it around and you can resize it. You can also make this invisible by going to the eye inspector and then make that active, and it just disappears, but it's there. If you click on that, you can hear the voice that you recorded. Now let's try to put some fruit on that plate. I try to draw an orange. Let's see, it gives me some ideas. So I will go and select my orange. Let's see, here you go. And I make it a little bit bigger. Once I'm done, I will go back to the fill color. So I'll change the color orange and then fill color. Click on that and here we have. Isn't this amazing? Love this tool. I think this is also ideal for students to unleash their creativity. If I can draw it, so can they. Let's see very quickly how to insert an image that we saved from pixabay.com. You select the image that you want, save it into your computer, and then go back to your book creator, go to the plus sign, media, and then you go to file, select the image that you saved, and voila, there you have your image. It can be any background that you want. If you want to add your Bitmoji, then you just drag and drop and position anywhere you want. One last thing, let's see how to recolor an emoji that we want to use. For example, we pick, let's see, this heart, and we want to change a little bit the color. So you resize, go to the fill color, and we try out some glittery colors like this. So let's choose one click, and you have one line of color. Now you can add also different layers of colors like that. So you click on that and you color differently. So those glittery ones are so cute. If you made a mistake, for example, like this that I have added twice, you can just cancel it and then go back and choose another one. For example, this one, which is so cute. There you have done, and now you have recolored one emoji that we have selected. There you go, and that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.